Video is a review of the Big Caramel Cup by Reese's, which I don't know if they're discontinuing it everywhere, but it's discontinued at Giant Eagle because I got this for like 47 cents or something like that.
That's really good.
Yeah, it's really good.
Ready?
It's big. It's like the old, see how big it is? That's what the old Reese's cups used to be. Now the new ones are like this skinny.
My thumb.
As big as your thumb. All right.
All right, let's take a bite.
Take a bite and see what's inside. So what makes this different than a regular Reese's cup? Oh, this is what it is. It's this layer of caramel in here. That's what makes it different. Does it make it, can you taste the caramel? Really? Make it sweeter?
And I store it upside down so it doesn't squish out.
Oh, clever safety tips here, people. Store it upside down. Don't let your husband have it.
My husband.
I'm not wearing my wedding ring, though. Everybody's going to accuse me of being your boyfriend instead of your husband. Oh, scandalous. Scandalous video.
Don't say that.
Okay.
Mr. Bridgerton.
I'm good. I give it a 4 out of 5 stars. That's good.
Yeah.
I mean, I like crunchy stuff. This isn't crunchy at all.
It's not the original.
And the caramel is really soft. So people that have trouble eating things that are hard candies, this would be a good candy for you. Yep. Tasty. All right.
Tasty.
See you on the next one. Thanks for liking this video. Tell us what your favorite candy is, and we'll review that. Because we